name is Beautiful Shine TV. If today is your first time of coming across my video, you are highly welcome. Please guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the notification button so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first one to see it. Thumbs up. So today I will be preparing fish and patate sauce fish. I will be preparing orata. So let me show you what I'm up to today. So here are my things. Okay, here are my ingredients. So I need to put spices here also. I did not put, so I have to add spices on it. I will show you guys later. Those are the things I want to cook now. This is orata, fish, and I have patate and tomatoes here. So I will be putting the spices into it. I will add it later. See you guys later. Okay guys, as I said it before, this is the spices I will be using for the fish, and I will be using rosemary for the potato. So I just want to show you guys the spices. So see you later. As you can see, it has been washed. I have to put it in the pan now. I'm going to use oven to be doing the cooking. This is the potato. So I want to put it here now. This is the place. I have to put it here to keep everything ready. As you can see now, it's inside the pan already. I have to add a little salt. Okay, I will be adding a little rosemary just to bring the nice scent inside. Okay. This is the rosemary. Putting vegetable a little spicy here. It's pepper, so I just want to add more inside. Each vegetable, it's very spicy, so I just want to add a little bit inside. So now I'll be adding a little bit inside. See, very yeah. So you can see now it's going to the oven. I just want to keep it now in the oven for at least 40 minutes. It should be ready. I want to start frying the sauce. So as you can see, the fish is already washed. Everything has to be washed. It's clean already. Everything is clean. You can see inside is clean. You see it? Everything is clean. So this is the oil I'm using. You see it? So now let's start frying the sauce because the patate is in the oven already. Get started with the stew now. First thing I will be adding salt. Second item now is to add a little onion. I use one full onion. Second thing now is to add tomatoes. Then I will be putting one Maggi cube here. This vegetable is very spicy, so this is the one I will be using for the stew now. The sauce. So I will be adding it into the tomatoes. So it's very spicy, and I want it that way because there is fish. So put it so that everything will be spicy. No, I love eating spicy. Then I will add a little bit of water. Okay. Now I have to turn it a little bit, then cover it. Then I will put fish inside. Now I will be adding the fish inside. It's like this. It's too small. Then I have to put it back to the other pot. Just give me a little time to change the pot. As you can see, oh my God, it's here already, and everything is inside. I put the fish already inside the orata. So I just want to give a little time for the sauce to be ready. In a few minutes time, I will show you the result of my sauce and patate. As you can see, the sauce is ready. Wow, came out very nice. In the next few minutes, I will remove the potato. I feel like eating it already. Wow, this is orata sauce. You see? Wow, wow. Okay guys, my sauce is ready. Remain only one here, so let me show you the rest. The one we are going to eat in the table already. Wow, I put 2 orata here and patate. Now wow, you see it? It's going to be yummy, delicious. Thank you guys for joining me today. Please guys, make this channel popular. Thumbs up guys, press your notification button, press all, so that whenever I drop a new video, you will be the first to see it. Thank you for your supporting those that subscribe. Thank you very much for your supporting. I appreciate you. I say may God bless you all in Jesus' name. Thank you. Bye. See you for my next video.